This recording will cover the assignment for Module D, which is chapters 7 and 8. You will also see that your midterm exam is posted and open over on the tab. So when you're ready to take your midterm, you will just click on it and it will take you to that, and you'll just click there and start the exam. There are 33 questions, and you can consider the extra 3 questions extra credit. I feel I just butchered that sentence, but you all know what I mean. You can read what it says. But then Module D is open. Again, make sure to finish Module C, the assignment for Module C, before you begin the midterm. And then once you complete the midterm, you can move into Module D. So this is chapter 7 and 8. Again, here is chapter 7, here's chapter 8. So here is the PowerPoint. Chapter 7, PowerPoint with sound, is just one part. So there's that. And then chapter 8 is PowerPoint and then PowerPoint with sound, and again, only one part. Then your assignments, so your options are right here. What you're going to do is choose one video case activity for chapter 7 or chapter 8. So you'll click there. Again, excuse me. So you will watch one of the videos and answer the accompanying questions. The first set of questions goes with the first video. So the questions right here that say chapter 7 video activity, those questions go with this video that says video graphic organizers. Okay, and then the second set of questions goes with the second video. So the second set of questions are right here, and those go with this video. This is one of my favorite clips. I use it in every single class. I hope you all haven't seen it before, but I just love it so much. And I want you to watch this video and list at least 4 things that are wrong with this scenario. You'll see. So again, you only need to watch one video and submit your answers to the accompanying questions. So let me just show you the questions for chapter 7, which again goes with right here. Okay, so the questions are, let me just show you really quickly. Pretty straightforward. Okay, so the questions are, so the video is about graphic organizers. And again, you're only going to watch one video. So if you want to watch the graphic organizers video, you'll click right here and you'll see an ad for Hobby Lobby. And then when you can skip the ad. So here's the video. Okay, and then again, wait, how do I get back to my little Word document? So as you're viewing or after reviewing the clip, answer the following questions. How can graphic organizers help students to organize their thoughts? Be specific, right? Give some specific examples. Don't just say, oh, they're helpful. Well, why? How? Think about how you would use or how you have used graphic organizers in your classrooms. Then how can computer technology be used to help children develop graphic organizers? This does not come from the video. That is from the chapter, the PowerPoint. So you will need to go back to that and the textbook. And then share your favorite example of a graphic organizer that was provided in the video. Why is this one your favorite? So based on this video. If you have another one that is your favorite, share the one from the video, but then also share your own personal favorite as well. I know lots of people have, differing opinions about graphic organizers. So share, if you want to, definitely share one from the video. But if you want to share one of your own as well, go ahead and share that with me and tell me why it is your favorite. All right, so that's kind of chapter 7. Again, chapter 7 goes right here. And then chapter 8 is just this video. You're going to click there if you want chapter 8. So funny. So each of the videos are about the same length, right? Not terribly long. You're welcome. And then chapter 8 is this document. Let me show you. So this one just says, watch the YouTube clip under what's wrong with the scenario, list and describe. Okay, so I want you to list and describe at least 4 things wrong with the scenario. Bullet points or full sentences are acceptable. Either one is fine, but just make sure you're not just listing, but give me some description of why something is wrong with the video. And if you choose this one, you'll see that there is a lot wrong with the video. All right, so again, pretty straightforward for this chapter, or this module, excuse me. So again, going back to module D, it's open, click there. There's chapter 7, there's chapter 8. There are your assignment options. You're going to choose one. Again, you can submit your assignment either here, right, by clicking on the video. And then you can access chapter 7 video here, chapter 8 here, and then of course, it's not showing up. Click submit down there on the bottom, right there. Okay. Or hold please. Or hold please. Or you can go right here. Oh, that's a lie. Look, I am lying to y'all. I am lying, 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 lying. So this is where you watch the videos. Y'all know that. This is where you submit the assignments. You can either access the Word document right here for chapter 7 or here for chapter 8, or click right here and you'll see chapter 7 and chapter 8. Okay, that's what I was trying to to say a few minutes ago. So that's about it for Module D. You have some time before this one is done. Again, make sure if you have not already submitted Module C that you do that, as I believe it is due soon, right? I believe Module C is due on October 7th, and then your midterm is due October 14th. Okay, so the next couple Fridays we have the midterm. Well, we have Module C due first, right? If you have not already submitted, then you have the midterm, and then Module D is due October 21st. Okay, so again, we're all the way up through Chapter 8, or we will be when you finish Module D, and then we'll just keep on going. All right, y'all are doing a great job, so keep it up, and I will be back for Module E later on.